Welcome back, first timers. It's Memorial Day weekend and we're heading to Crab Island for a fun day on the water.
But this time we're not taking our boat. We were invited out by Bikkini Boat to try out their brand new charter boat.
They're a brand new, family-owned, local business, and we're looking forward to see what they have to offer.
But first we gotta go get ready. Bikini? Check. Sunglasses? Check. Sunscreen? Check. Beverages? Check. And you know, if we're going out on the water, we gotta take our moments. They're non-CBD, non-alcoholic, meditation in a can. Check out our link in the description below and use our code and get 15% off your next purchase. And free shipping. Ice. Check. And most important, our pub subs. Check. We're ready to go. They have 2 Crab Island trips each day. They also offer sunset cruises, dolphin cruises, and they also offer private charter service. We're taking the 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. trip out to Crab Island, so each Crab Island tour is 4 hours long. The boat launches right next to GI Jade restaurant, and you're gonna wanna park across the street at City Hall. Don't pay the guy in the parking lot next to us $20 when you can park here for free. You want to show up at least 30 minutes prior to your trip, and you'll just hang out in a little tiki hut until you're ready to take off. This is Highway 98. It's very busy. You have to cross the street, so just be very careful. Okay. After you check in at the Octagon booth, you can head over to GI Jade's, check out some music, and grab a drink before the boat takes off. So we went to the wrong Octagon building first. You got to go a little bit further down into the boatyard, but we found it.
Right, well, they're still here. We're about 15 minutes late because we were waiting at the wrong Octagon, but they didn't leave us, so that's a good sign.
I'm on island time, brother. So if we leave a little late, we're gonna get back a little late. You know, no rush. No worries here.
We were invited out because it's a brand spanking new business, family owned and operated. We've been speaking with the owner, Deanna, who's really excited about this new business venture. It's a business she started with her and her son, Daniel, and then both of their significant others. What they really liked about starting a business like this is that they get to be their own boss, but they also get to work together as a family. So the boat that we're on is brand spanking new, and it's a 45-foot Corinthian catamaran that they had built in Tarpon Springs, Florida. So they were able to pick every detail and they got to customize it to exact specifications of what they wanted. But then they sailed it across the Gulf and then into the Destin harbor. They safely navigated the catamaran from Tarpon Springs all the way to Destin. As Terry mentioned, they have the Crab Island tours, which they run twice a day, but then they also have dolphin cruises, sunset cruises, and firework cruises. In terms of pricing, go on their website, which we'll link below in the description so you can check their pricings. They really pride themselves in keeping the prices down, and they try and over-deliver in terms of quality. Their motto is quality over quantity, and they also like to keep the prices affordable for families that want to get out on the water without having to incur a huge cost.
Even though their business is brand new, they're already thinking about expanding their fleet and adding in more themed cruises. As for amenities on the boat, you've got a restroom, you've got plenty of seating, and it's covered, which is great in this hot sun today. And also, just like you saw in our vendor video where we bought something from every vendor out at Crab Island, there's no alcohol sales out there, but you are more than welcome to bring your own alcohol onto the boat and snacks. And don't forget the water.
Wanted to mention that the boat actually fits 49 guests. For the party cruises, they'll fill up pretty well, but they actually pride themselves in having a smaller guest number for the dolphin cruises, so you're not stacked too close to each other and you have some space to move around. A little bit of a change from some of the other companies where it's about packing as many in as possible.
Lady standing on the side of the boat is Devin. Everybody say, hey, Devin. Hey, Devin. What's up, girl? Hello. She'll be our first mate. Anything you need on the cruise today, she's gonna be our gal, okay? You need a shoulder to cry on, some sunscreen put on, just hey, Devin, and she'll take care of it. Y'all ready to get this party started? Woo! Let's do it.
favorite seat in the house is right in front of the helm. It's cushioned and it's shading. This is a much smoother ride than our boat. You don't feel any of the bumps. It's so much more enjoyable. Like in most cases, bigger is better. The difference between a 17-foot boat and a 45-foot boat, huge, massive. While Crab Island is known to be a party spot, it's also super family friendly. There are little kids on this boat, and they're having just as much fun as the adults. They've got all kinds of inflatables on board. They've got some lily pads. They've got rafts that you can lounge on. And they even have a pump if you bring your own floaty. Stop, just stop. I can't touch. I'm on tippy toes.
Put your feet down.
I'll be in the water.
You won't. Put your feet down. You're fine. Your face is still above the water.
Just barely, I don't like that.
Apparently.
This is too deep. Will you stop filming? I'm here with your Crab Island weather report. The air temperature is 83 degrees, the water temperature is 78, and there's a very strong current right now. Please send a life jacket.
Every time we come out here, we see a new vendor or something else going on. We just saw a Chick-fil-A boat go by. You literally can get anything except for alcohol right here at Crab Island.
We're about to head out of here. We might cruise around, see if we can find some dolphins, but we'll see you at the dock.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart race. So catch me if I fall.
Love connection.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Thank you all so much for coming out today. This was the most people we've had on the boat since we first got going. So, and it was so much fun for us. It doesn't even feel like work. So sincerely, guys, thank you guys so much.
That was the most fun that we have had on the water, and we've had a lot of wild times on the water.
It was an amazing boat trip.
It's fun for the whole family, old, young. It's lively, exciting. We want to say another really big thank you to Bikkini Boat Tours for having us out for the day. And we highly recommend you booking any of your water-related needs with them. If you do book, let them know the first timer sent you. If you like this video, check out this video right here where we had another amazing time on the water. But thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.
I'm Lacey. I'm from Oklahoma, and this is my first time on Crab Island. I had a hell of a time. Okay, so I'm Serenity. I'm actually her daughter. Crazy. I'm from Missouri, and I had a great time for my first time. Subscribe. I promise you, it's worth it.